Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to represent map or data with graduated symbol in QGIS, just like this. So let's go to our QGIS now. In QGIS I have this data called Bayelsa populations. So let's right click and open the attribute table of this data. So in this data, in this attribute table, I have the name of each of the polygon and I have their associated populations. So let's assume we want to represent each of these polygon by their population in graduated symbol. So how do we do that? That is exactly what I want to show you. To do that, right click on the layer, go to properties. When properties open, come under symbology. Then here, instead of single symbol, choose graduated. Then the column you want to use to graduate the polygon, we want to use population. Click on population. Then here, how many classes do you want? Let's say 4. Okay, we can even put it at 5 classes. Then here, make sure it's at equal interval. Then come here and change the color ramp. Let's change the color ramp. Let's choose this. So then click apply. Let's shift this to see what we've done. You can see. Then another thing we can do is to come to label. Here, this label. Then instead of no label, click on single label. Then we are using the field called population to label it, and we can use color black and we can increase the size of the label. Then click on apply and OK. So you can see now we've been able to represent each of the polygon with their associated population data in graduated color. So this is how to represent your data with graduated color symbol in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.